complete कर दूंगी. How many of you have completed?
Mommy.
Okay. So let's 2 minutes, after 2 minutes we will discuss the answers. एक बार मैं आंसर डिस्कस कर दूंगी आपका. Now let's start. Page number 14. Test your wisdom. The authors of the following books have been mismatched. Write them correctly. Making India Awesome. The correct one answer is
The guy.
option is yes. Chetan Bhagat.
Chetan Bhagat.
It is mismatched, so you have to write the correct answer in the box. Then second one, Wings of Fire.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Kalam. Business at the rate, the speed of thought.
Bill Gates.
Ma'am, Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates. The guide. R.K.
R.K. Narayan.
I'm just telling it so that the answers are correct. Then next one is trains to Pakistan. Train to Pakistan. It is
Kushwant Singh.
Kushwant Singh.
a skillful. Now fill in the crossword with the help of clues given. Page number 14 for those who have joined late. Take out page number 14. We are discussing the answer of that page number 14. Fill in the crossword with the help of clues given. A skillful young person.
Bizkid.
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 Correct. Those who have not filled, you can fill also at the same time. One who trapped animals illegally.
Poacher.
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 POAC. A person with extreme opinion.
Fantastic.
Fanatic. Not fantastic. It's fanatic. Fanatic. A genetically similar living being. Clone.
Clone.
Yes. A person addicted to computer.
Computer bug.
Yes, computer bug. A successful person with ambition.
High flyer.
High
High flyer.
High flyer.
Next one, write the meanings of the following. You have to write the meaning of the given word. Third question, page number 15. Page number 15. Those who have joined later, please open page number 15. Third question. Write the meaning of the following mantra.
A new formula for success.
Formula for success. Formula for success. Yes. Fakir.
Poor. Religious man.
Poor or religious man. Guru.
A leader.
An expert.
An
expert or leader.
An expert.
Both you can write. An expert or leader.
Spiritual.
Moksha.
Salvation.
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 Is salvation. Karma.
Work or duty.
Duty or work. Pandit.
Scholar
Or priest.
priest.
Explain the following at a snail's pace.
Very
That is
slow.
known as
Very slow.
very slow. A dark horse.
One who brings bad name.
One who brings bad name. Hornet's nest.
Bundle of troubles.
Bundle of troubles. A bull in a china shop.
Destroys things.
One who destroys things.
One who destroys things. A cat among pigeons.
Cunning person among innocents.
Yes. Cunning persons among innocent. Lion's den.
Place of a powerful person.
Of a powerful person. Now come to question number 5. Page number 15. Complete the following with suitable words. My father is calm person. He is as cool as
Eyes.
My friend could not complete his work on time. He was as slow as snail. The managing director of the company is always as busy as
Bee.
After my exams, I felt as free as
Bird.
on seeing the policeman, the thief ran as quick as
Lightning.
because lightning is very fast. It moves with a very fast speed. The water in the swimming pool was as clear as
Crystal.
yes,
Crystal.
Crystal, you all understand, children?
Yes,
Crystal
ma'am.
क्या होता है?
Very
क्या होता है?
lightning. Very lightning.
बोलो एग्जैक्ट वर्ड बताओ. जो मोती हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना ऑर्नामेंट्स बनाने के लिए, उसको भी हम लोग क्रिस्टल्स ही बोल सकते हैं. Because white, they are white in color. That is why this comparison has been done. Write the word starting with PH using the hints. A fear is a phobia. Fear of anything you can have. A ghost is a phantom. Yes. A ghost is a phantom. An expression is a phrase. An expression is a phrase. Body structure is called physics. Physics क्यों नहीं बोला जाता है? Physics बोला जाता है. Physics. Picture taken with camera.
Photograph.
A copy of a document.
Photocopy.
Use double letter words and the hints or to form answer. Opposite of sweet.
Bitter.
To praise in excess.
Flatter.
Spoiled or decaying. Rotten. Hand gloves for small children.
Mittens.
Opposite of a loser.
Winner.
An entrance or route.
Passage.
Okay, till here we have completed the first chapter. First chapter language and literature का 1 to 16 pages we have completed. All of you have done, filled up your book or not?
Ma'am, we have completed.
Ma'am, I have
All
completed.
of you please
Yes, ma'am.
complete it and try to learn also these pages. Okay? चलिए अब हम लोग next chapter. What do you want to say? Anybody wants to say anything?
Ma'am, you have said in our previous class that you will ask some news of the week from newspaper.
Pardon? I can't get it. एक बार और बोलो.
Ma'am, you have said in our previous GK class that you will ask some news of the week from newspaper.
Yes, I will do. First, let us finish this class work. ये class work हम लोग को खत्म कर लेने दीजिए, फिर हम लोग उस पर आएंगे, ठीक है? चलिए, अभी एक दो पेज और हम लोग कर लेते हैं. First is your environment. It is related to environment. ये environment से related chapter है, environment around. Second chapter. Given below are abbreviations related to environment. Write their full form using the help box. Now here AAQ is related to advanced air quality.
Air quality.
Yes. Then ACF
Activated carbon filter.
is activated carbon filter.
Yes, ma'am.
Code
DOH,
of health. Code of
yes, code of health. CFC,
Chlorofluorocarbon.
chlorofluorocarbon. Those whose mic is unmuted, please mute it because some sound is coming. अगर आपके background से कोई sound है तो mute कर लो mic. Chlorofluorocarbon. DAD.
Dead and decomposing.
Dead and decomposing. HAP. Hazardous air pollutant. HAP is hazardous air pollutant. IRAP, immediate response action plan.
Immediate response action plan.
Yes. QA, quality
assurance.
quality assurance. Then next is endangered birds. Now, no, sorry. नहीं, ये नहीं है. Steps to fame. This is the next page. Given below are the brief descriptions taken from the great work of some famous scientists. Read them carefully. Use the help box to name the scientist. Now here are some name of scientists given in the box, and you have to use what work they have done in which field. ठीक है, इसको आपको fill up करना है. Page number 18. Page number 18. First is read out. एक बच्चा पढ़ो इसको.
He was the first to produce electricity by hanging a dead frog on the iron railing.
First one is he was the first to produce electricity by hanging a dead frog on an iron railing with copper hook. Who was that person? Galvani. Then second one.
He was inspired by
a swinging touch lamp which lead to the invention of pendulum clock. Galileo.
Yes.
Galileo.
Inspired by a swinging church lamp which led to the invention of pendulum clock. That was Galileo. Next is
He accidentally spilled some rubber sulfur and led onto a
next one, third one.
He accidentally spilled some rubber sulfur and led onto a stove, resulting in rubber resistant to heat and cold.
Okay. He accidentally spilled some rubber
Ma'am,
led on to a stove, resulting in rubber resisting to heat and cold. And he was Charles Goodyear. Not Charlie. Don't read like that. It's Charles Goodyear. His name is Charles Goodyear. Hmm. Okay, then.
He made the greatest discovery.
Then the next one.
He made the greatest
discovery formulated the laws of passing on characters from one generation to other.
Okay. The answer will be
Mendel.
Mendel. He made the greatest discovery of growing peas and formulated the law of heredity. Do you understand hereditary, children?
Yes.
Hereditary का मतलब समझते हो? Passing
Yes,
from
sir.
one generation to another. किसी भी चीज को एक why do we look similar to our parents? Because the genes are transferred. ठीक है? From our parents or from parents to offspring. कोई भी और ये living being अपने parents की तरह क्यों दिखता है? Because of this the law given by Mendel that it is any genes can be passed from one generation to the other generation. So it was Mendel's law. Then next one is he made a famous discovery.
He made a famous discovery while being in his bathroom and famous principle.
It was Archimedes. He was Archimedes gave this principle. Okay. Then Ankit Raj, background sound is noisy, so just close it. He, while trying to make a better refrigerator, accidentally invented Teflon that is used in non-stick utensils. That is Roy Plunkett, you can say. Roy Plunkett. He made the discovery after learning about night writing, which proved a boon to the blind.
Louis Braille.
Louis Braille. Yes.
Louis Braille.
He introduced the Braille system, and it was a boon for those who cannot read or write, or those who are blind person. So Braille system was introduced by Louis Braille. Then he accidentally discovered sweetener when he forgot to wash his hands before lunch after working in Johns Hopkins lab. That was
Constantine
Falberg. Constantine Falberg. Smith at work and came out with a musical scale using different sized hammers. Pythagoras. This you all study in your maths also, Pythagoras theorem, which you will study when you will go in higher class. He was a Navy radar specialist who felt that the chocolate bar in his pocket started melting in front of microwave emitters, and this led to the invention of microwave. This was
P.C. Spencer.
P.C. Spencer. Now, next page is your children about, it is related to environment only, but there are certain gadgets and devices given. You have to
Ma'am, may I
unscramble the
page number 18?
name, who invented. Many scientists, devices and gadgets have been invented which help us to make accurate measurements. Read the information given below and unscramble the letters. You have to do this page, page number 19, 20, endangered birds, 21, an atmosphere of spheres, and 22. These 4 pages you will complete for your homework. Clear? Blasting into space. Till here. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then have you all prepared the news?
Yes, ma'am.
News of this week?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Who are prepared, come forward to speak. बोलिए.
I'm Gaurav Kumar 7D.
हाँ, बोलो.
Nepal congressman to stake claim to reform government as one headed by oil only loses trust vote.
Next.
It means that only the former prime minister of Nepal is being the second time prime minister of Nepal again.
Next.
Supreme Court dismisses
What
bail of Nivedita in Bhima Korigam case.
Okay.
Third, Olympic dorsets on Sania Nehwal, Kidambi Srinath. Ma'am, fourth, ensure free mass wax drive opposition tells Prime Minister Modi.
Okay. Very good. Do you have more?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
Here is a mystery of 30 bodies floating in Ganga trigger COVID panic in Buxar in river Yamuna.
Okay. Now next, anybody else has prepared? कोई और बच्चे prepare किए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो. Tell your name.
Ma'am, my class 7C.
हाँ, चलो. बोलो.
Ma'am, Prime Minister Modi was to Prime Minister Modi.
At least when you prepare, you read once so that you are able to read it. Next पढ़ो, दूसरा news पढ़ो. Anybody else? कोई और है?
Ma'am, may I say some more news?
हाँ, बोलिए.
Ma'am, Seychelles and Israel be the first and second to get completed his vaccination drive all over.
Prashant, do you want to speak? Okay, और कोई है? Anybody else wants to speak?
Ma'am, between Israel and Palestine, ceasefire have agreed. Ma'am, about this news is also about Israel and Palestine. Israel have attacked again on Al-Aqsa Mosque.
Yes. Other students have not tried at all. आप लोगों में कोई try नहीं किया है और? Divya Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you collected the news? That was your homework. That should be done. Only I think Gaurav has done and one more student has tried. But others, what about these other students? So many of you have joined the class, but you are not with your work. Nalin, Prashant, okay. So tomorrow you will have your science test, isn't it? Online test. Have you studied about that chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
साइंस के बारे में
Yes,
पढ़े
ma'am.
हो या अभी
Yes,
लर्न
ma'am.
करना बाकी
Yes.
है?
Ma'am, we are
No, ma'am.
prepared for tomorrow's test.
हाँ,
Ma'am, we are prepared.
okay. Then can you answer those some questions from science?
Okay, ma'am.
What are the different types of reactions?
Ma'am, there are different type of reaction like neutralization reaction, displacement reaction, and combination reaction. There are so many type of reaction, but in class 7th we have studied
How
about 3
many
type
you
of
have
reaction.
studied? How many of you have studied? Class 7? कितने
Ma'am,
तरह का reaction आप लोग पढ़े हो?
Ma'am, displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, combination reaction.
बस only 3?
No, no, ma'am. 4.
हाँ, 4. What is the fourth one? Fourth one कौन सा है? Decomposition नहीं पढ़े हो? Neutralization, combination, displacement, and decomposition. These all 4 types of reaction you have studied. Then what is the difference between physical change and chemical change?
A change in which
A change in which a new substance is formed is known as chemical change, but the change in which no new substance is formed is known as physical change.
One of you speak. एक बच्चा बोलो है, raise your hand and then you speak. Because if you will speak together, the voice will not be clear. Mayank, you want to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
In a chemical change, new substance are formed. Built in a physical change, no new substance are formed.
Okay, चलिए ठीक है. Next.
Gaurav Kumar, a change in which no new substance is formed is called physical change. A change in which new substance with new properties are formed is called chemical change.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Hani Kumari.
Please start.
New substance chemical change. A change which no new substance is formed is called.
Krish Raj, a change in which new substance is formed is called chemical change, and a change in which no substance is formed is called physical.
No new substance. No new substance is formed. Then Mohit, you are raising your hand. Do you want to speak? Any answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हाँ, तो
ma'am.
बोलिए आप. What are elements?
In a chemical, क्या ma'am?
What are elements? Elements.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Let him first try. Mohit.
Okay.
Yes, left. Okay. Who was interested?
Ma'am, Hani Kumari.
हाँ बोलो. What are elements?
Ma'am, element is a pure substance which is made up of same kind of atoms.
Okay. Then you please all of you learn the symbols of all the elements. So can you
Yes,
tell me what is the symbol of sodium? Sodium.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
Na.
Yes, yes. Iron.
Fe.
Yes, Fe. Chlorine.
Cl.
While writing the symbol, please just be alert that first will be capital letter and the second one will be a small letter. Otherwise, if you both of you will write capital, then that will be a wrong one, wrong symbol. Then what are reactants and products?
Ma'am, the substance, Divya Prakash, reactants, the substance which undergo on a chemical change are called reactants, and the product in which the chemical change are formed are called products.
Ma'am, some substance which
हाँ,
in a
बोलिए।
reaction are called the reactants, whereas the new substance which are formed are called the products. Ma'am,
Okay.
Hani Kumari, substance which undergo of chemical change of reaction is called reactant. The new substance formed are called products.
Okay, correct. And where do we write while writing a chemical equation, where do we write the reactant and where do we write the product?
Ma'am, in left side we have to write reactants, and in right side we have to write products.
Okay. What are the different steps to write down the formula of calcium phosphate?
First, we will write the chemical symbol of these two formulas. Then we will combine these two formulas, and then we will obtain that and then we will obtain the formula for these two elements.
So that what will be the formula? You will tell
The
now.
formula of calcium
Ma'am,
phosphate
CaCO4
मैम
ब्रैकेट में PO4 मैम फिर 2
ब्रैकेट में 2
मैम Ca2 plus CO4 3 minus Ca3 ब्रैकेट में Ca3 ब्रैकेट में PO4 2
Whole 2. Yes. That will be the correct. And you will write stepwise. First you will write that it is written in the form of ion, that is Ca. It's all the symbols are written in the ionic form. Then they are crisscrossed, and then the main formula is formed, and that is Ca3PO4 whole 2. Clear? Anything more you want to ask in GK or science? आपको पूछना है?
I want to ask that why the normal water get cooled why is the normal water is get cooled
Pardon? क्या बोल रहे हो? Anybody who has not completed their GK work, they will complete it. That is mandatory. You have to do it regularly. And till page number 22, you will be ready in the next class. और कुछ अगर आप लोग को पूछना है तो पूछ लो.
Ma'am, related to science, why is the hot water get cooled than